Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox unblocked on a school computer. First, it's important to understand that school networks often have strict firewalls and content filters in place to ensure a safe learning environment. Before attempting any methods, always check your school's acceptable use policy. We'll explore several approaches, starting with the most straightforward and moving to more technical options, while also discussing the potential risks involved. Remember, safety and compliance are key. One common method involves using a virtual private network, or VPN, or a proxy server. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it appear as if you're browsing from a different location, effectively bypassing local network restrictions. Proxy servers work similarly by routing your internet traffic through another server. While these tools can be effective, many school networks actively block them. Always exercise caution, as some free services might compromise your data or have bandwidth limitations, like a 500 megabyte daily cap. Another approach involves using specific browser extensions or even a portable browser. Certain browser extensions are designed to circumvent content filters, often by routing traffic through their own servers. Alternatively, a portable browser, which can be run directly from a USB drive, might offer a way to access the internet outside of the school's default browser settings. However, be mindful that installing unauthorized extensions or using external devices could violate school policies and potentially expose your computer to security vulnerabilities. Always prioritize safety. Finally, if direct methods prove difficult, consider alternative access points or discussing your options with school staff. You might be able to play Roblox on a personal device during designated break times, or perhaps your school's IT department could offer a supervised solution. Remember, school networks are designed to protect students and maintain focus on education. Always prioritize your studies and use the internet responsibly. There are many ways to enjoy your favorite games without compromising your academic responsibilities or school rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.